How to send money on Revolut using the Revtag. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First and foremost, you have to launch the application, but make sure you have the latest version of Revolut application available. If you are not sure, you can head over to Play Store and App Store and check if the update button is available. If so, tap on it, which should automatically start the download as well as the installation. So once that is done, you can head over to the application and log in using your passcode. Once you have logged in using your passcode, you will be on the home page. From the available option, tap on the transfer tab at the bottom of the screen. Now in the search bar, you have to type the recipient's Revtag. Revtag is the unique identifier of the Revolut application. So you can select the correct Revtag from the results, and then after selecting the recipient, tap on the send option. Specify the amount you wish to send. You can also change the currency if necessary, since the default is set to the GBP. After that, you can include an optional message or note if desired. Confirm the details and proceed to send the money. Always make sure you have sufficient funds in your Revolut account to complete the transfer. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.